Grandma, this is a video marble run that I made all by myself, and it's better than the other one that we made before. So here we go.
What makes it better?
It's battery powered.
Pretty cool, Dylan.